If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so for you to the face, I hear the voice, me, you don't know say a KOGENCY, but a KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have T.Scam, Active Gang with Liquor Mix. Now, you already know we reacted to the leaked version already, bro. But we have the video, so I want to see what go on. Might have to take off the shades, you know, so I can have 2020 vision, you know what I'm saying right now, 2019, 2020. You understand? But yo, the last T.Scam video we react to was freestyle, and it's been a while. And freestyle was alright, but it wasn't nothing like special to it, you know what I'm saying? Just so you know, T.Scam in a Airbnb with some sweet ones and some cards and some money, and you know, regular thing. But yo, this one, I'm hoping it's something different because we already react to the song. So hopefully the video give us something to react to. But yo, I keep saying, but yo, hit that like button or dislike button and jump in the comments. Can reply to all the comments. And let's go, gang. Aye. Ooh, the red Rory. Aye. Blowing smoke. Whoa. Fam, I'm there blowing in smoke, fam, and they just showed me the sweet ones, so now I'm blowing in the sweet ones back. Nah, man. What if the sweet one never wipe her ass, bro? Like, let me see, though. Alright, fam. She have a big blood clot back off still. Jesus. Anyway, bro. I told you we stop caring about the sweet ones, man. We need to stop. Stop it. I'm talking to myself.
Smoking on them.
Hey, yo, the two of them. Oh. Hey, you see, I was doing it.
Hey, Mizzy, come here. Listen to this, I don't swing my fist. If I wrap my blazer, we'll swimming like a fish. If I shout at me, I hope he's getting ticked off the list. I'ma jump at the rash in my right arm glitch.
Oh, first of all, we can tell that the mix is definitely better. His voice definitely sounds clearer. And the video is nice still. The sweet one shaking it. I can't even lie, bro. I'm liking this so far. Look at these two sweet ones. Why is there a hand right there, babes? Alright, take it out.
Hey, Mizzy, listen to this, I don't swing my fist. If I wrap my blazer, we'll swim like a fish. If I shout at me, I hope he's getting ticked off the list. I'ma jump at the rash in my right arm glitch. He got done with the flicks and kitsch. You weren't really moving, just a side twitch. This bando here's hot property. Check the windows, that undies come through the mist. This thing has a whole shape. You have to use our to wind on the window. But once it's down on my rise, there's mop and watch our block do the limbo. I know if it's fight like Kimbo, slash man's face even covered in Vipto.
Did he re-record this? Because like even the like certain alright, how am I going to explain this? It sounds like he's saying certain words longer than he did in the other song, that in the previous reaction. So I'm wondering if he re-recorded it. Cause I don't know, bro. I might be bugging, but it sounds like he did. Let me go again.
Kitsch, you weren't really moving, just a side twitch. This bando here's hot property. Check the windows, that undies coming through the mist. This thing has a whole shape. You have to use our to wind on the window. But once it's down on my rise, there's mop and watch our block do the limbo. I know if it's fight like Kimbo, slash man's face even covered in Vipto. They talk on the net, that's calm, but how many man got done in the suit? That's in Spanish. How many man over?
Yeah, definitely re-recorded or something, fam. Cause that Suwu was definitely not there in the leaked.
Calm, but how many man got done in the suit? That's
definitely not that pronounced, fam. So fam, the man them so like they're doing a whole like, what you call that? Like a war chant, bro. I swear to you, fam, the man them going to war, bro.
They talk on the net, that's calm, but how many man got done in the suit? That's in Spanish. How many man over there got you? I don't know. You don't wanna see me and gang in the dick.
I told you, bro, educational drill, fam. I'm telling you, man.
That's in Spanish. How many man over there got you? I don't know. You don't wanna see me and gang in the ding, or Fed's gonna knock at your next of kins. Outrun Yevs, the chance is slim. He ain't got his phone.
Oh my God! You know why they're knocking at? I just realized why they're knocking at the next of kin, because they have to let you know that, you know, your brothers. You know what I'm saying? Turn to a pack. But anyway, man, that's not my problem.
See me and gang in the ding, or Fed's gonna knock at your next of kin. Outrun Yevs, the chance is slim. He ain't got his phone, he's letting it ring. I heard got shaved in it at least when he went home, and he had a fresh trim. The hand thing holds 8, this was away.
I totally forgot that line was in the song. You see me going like this, and I'm like, oh shit, got shaved. I'm going to stop. I need to stop like reenacting these lines, that, because like I'm gonna get in trouble one day for this shit, bro. I swear to you, fam. I can't be doing this.
Ring. I heard got shaved in it at least when he went home, and he had a fresh trim. The hand thing holds 8, this one's a bit bait. I'm only gonna slap off 6. I got 2 rams in this car, damn man shit. I don't need no stick. Like my Rambo music, like Rick, don't slip, don't.
And then educational drill again. 8 minus 2 is 6. Alright, bro. Maybe I'm reading too much into it, but these guys, like, I don't need to go to school anymore. These guys teach me everything I need to know.
I got 2 rams in this car, damn man shit. I don't need no stick. Like my Rambo music, like Rick, don't slip, don't trip, you'll end up in a riz. I ain't proposing, I'll smoke him down on one knee, I'm bun this prick.
Aye, yes.
I got 2 rams in this car, damn man shit. I don't need no stick. Like my Rambo music, like Rick, don't slip, don't trip, you'll end up in a riz. I ain't proposing, I'll smoke him down on one knee, I'm bun this prick. Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I butt me up, I'm chinging it. If I butt me a...
She's definitely shaking it, man. Jesus Christ. Look at this guy, fam. Why are you looking at me like that, bro? Don't shoot me, fam. What's going on, bro? I'm reacting to your video, fam. Stop.
Fun this prick. Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I butt me up, I'm chinging it. If I butt me a cat, I'm hitting it.
Alright, hold on. I'm pausing it way too much now. But one last question before I unpause it. Like, when girls' bums are that big, do you not think... Alright. I think, like, there's no way she wipes her ass properly every time. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, that's too much like area of like circumference of perimeter, and like that's just too much surface area to cover, bro. Like surely there's some shit particles left over, but I'm thinking about the wrong things, bro. T.Scam, talk to me, bro. Talk to me.
Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I butt me up, I'm chinging it. If I butt me a cat, I'm hitting it. Swim right and then leave it right, I'm fidgeting. Break down the box, get rid of it. A kid flies, but really killing it. Them man, they're making.
Alright, Bugs, we need a song, man.
Fidgeting. Break down the box, get rid of it. A kid flies, but really killing it. Them man, they're making songs. They're not about a pop group, just like Low Mix. Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I butt me up, I'm chinging it. If I butt me a cat, I'm hitting it. Swim right and then leave it right, I'm fidgeting. Break down the box, get rid of it. A kid flies, but really killing it. Them man, they're making songs. They're not about a pop group, just like Low Mix. Enough man want talk about guns. Have you ever heard a whap in your hand?
No.
We ain't back no burgers if we pop them doors near Zams. Better run down JOG when I JOG, that's jump out gang. Bros on the kill street, no COD, get fried like COD when the whap's in his hand.
Aye, fam, bro. When the last song, when he was like, bro, no JOG, but JOG, that's jump out gang. Fam, I was just thinking about JOG, jump out gang. I didn't even realize this guy was spelling junk to me. Drill is so in my head that I'm hearing the regular letters JOG and immediately go to jump out gang. I'm not even thinking about jogging or exercise, bro. Nah, man, drill is getting way too much in my head, fam. JOG is jog first and jump out gang after. Man, this is mad.
Pop group just like Low Mix. Enough man want talk about guns. Have you ever heard a whap in your hand?
No.
We ain't back no burgers if we pop them doors near Zams. Better run down JOG when I JOG, that's jump out gang. Bros on the kill street, no COD, get fried like COD when the whap's in his hand. If the dot barks, then the show's gone taken. With the reason that Camden's baking. You ain't never left man twitching and shaking on the pavement cause your arm was waving. Bro just built up the bit of chip and I told him face it. I got a 3-5 of for the gang that he reps, some bad decision making. Put 2 in the dots.
He said, wait, hold on. Big up Absav.
Pavement cause your arm was waving. Bro just built up the bit of chip and I told him face it. I got a 3-5 of for the gang that he reps, some bad decision making. Put 2 in the dots, that's where we're going. I told bro don't whine on the window. If they know it's us then they're gonna start blowing. If I butt me up I'll approach him. Back on my shank that's a serious soaking. Got my brownie moaning and groaning. I hear from the back now my eyes just rolling. Rolling, where's all the let me roll him up. Where's all the to me roll him up. Where's all the let me roll him up. The ops them
fam, he is way too late when he's talking about the dead ops, bro.
Roll him up.
Nah, fam.
And then I hear from the back now my eyes just rolling. Rolling, where's all the let me roll him up. Where's all the to me roll him up. Where's all the let me roll him up.
Bro, even the ad-libs, woo woo, woo 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 woo. What?
Let me roll him up.
No.
Then I hear from the back now my eyes just rolling. Rolling, where's all the let me roll him up. Where's all the to me roll him up. Where's all the let me roll him up. The ops them talk on us, but when we up them we show them up. Doing all for them in the back of the car, just loading up. The waist I swings in samurai, you would have
thought that he was from China. Son got turned to a 9 ball, then it turned my nigga AR to a life ball. Claim she a rider, she better put this pack inside her.
I was in a block with a gang trying to sit
on fire. I ain't talking about cypher.
Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I buck me a up, I'm chinging it. If I buck me a cat, I'm hitting it. Swim right and then leave it right, I'm fidgeting. Break down the box, get rid of it. A-Kid Fly's really killing it. Them man, they're making songs, they're nothing but a pop group just like Lil Mix. Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I buck me a
fam, he is putting the camera literally inside the sweet one's ass, bro. Like, how can I not react to it, fam? He's literally covering 95% of the screen with ass cheek, fam. How can I not? Like, bro, stop doing that, man.
Making songs, they're nothing but a pop group just like Lil Mix. Big batty ting won't wiggle it. If I buck me a up, I'm chinging it. If I buck me a cat, I'm hitting it. Swim right and then leave it right, I'm fidgeting. Break down the box, get rid of it. A-Kid Fly's really killing it. Them man, they're making songs, they're nothing but a pop group just like Lil Mix.
Jeez. Bro, you're not watching TV like that, bro. You can't watch TV with a bandana over your eyes, bro. Stop. And the TV's off. Man, just get up, fam. The video's done, bro. Go home. Sky News. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. You know why? Just when Uplock have to come back and watch the news, man, and see what's on the news, bro. What is that over there? Bro, I thought a ghost was in my room or some shit, fam. But yo, bro, there was way too much to cover in this shit. All right, first, the beat. We heard the beat from the last time, but I feel like they upped the bass or something, dog, because like my ears are like, they're still vibrating, right? That's one. Two, I really think he re-recorded it, dog, or like I know they remixed it in terms of like to get a better mix, but I'm wondering if he re-recorded some parts, because some parts, it literally, his voice and the words, they literally sound like he held them longer than in the previous mix. But anyway, it's still amazing. It actually helped it and make it better. So that's two. The sweet ones, though, the man keep putting 100% batty in my face, bro. Like, stop, fam. I have a girlfriend. Like, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I didn't consent to this, to all this bunda in my face, bro. Nah, man. And then, man. The man them in the video, bro. Big up Absav and Bankroll Box. There's a leaked song, right, with T.Scam, Absav, Brad Day, and Bankroll Box, bro. You know, it's keep it on the because I saw in the comments that the producer for the song was kind of vexed that they leaked it, but the song is mad. You know what I'm saying? Go and listen to that song, bro. Go and listen to that song. Trust me, you won't regret it. But yeah, it's only because I saw Absav and Bankroll in the video. I had to say that. But yo, T.Scam, Active Gang, Liquor Mix. 9, and then the video 9.5. All right, so you know what I'm saying, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, man. Can reply to all the comments. Let me know what you think about this. KOGENCY, the KOGENCY Reacts channel, and I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, girl, them want them fuck them know for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah.